Hello and welcome back to Indian Vegan Recipes. My name is Mandar and today I'm going to take you along with me to hang out and try some vegan street food in Mumbai. It was raining heavily over here, but now luckily it has stopped a little. We're just going to go and try some vegan street food in Mumbai. Let's go. And right now I am in Mumbai, and after I cross that I will be in the Thane district, and I am travelling all the way from Andheri to Thane just to try the momos over there which my friend suggested. भाई बटर यूज़ करते हो क्या आप? बटर यूज़ करते हो? बटर डालडा चलेगा, बटर नहीं रहता ना? तो एक ये दो ना, वेज स्टीम. These are the veg momos. These are really good. These are amazing. Okay. This is what their filling is. I'm kind of tempted to try their fried momos they kept over there, the veg ones. It's been too much junk for a day, so these are the fried momos. They basically use the regular ones, the steamed ones, and fry them, and this is how they look. They seem to be very crispy now. Let's see. Okay. Just a moment ago I thought I had the best momos which were steamed, but now I'm telling you the fried ones are even better. If in case ever you happen to visit Thane, do ever visit this place. It's called Darjeeling Hill Queen Momos. I'm just in love with this. They had one of the finest momos I've ever had, but look at this. They put so much color in their sauce. I just hope my tummy stays fine. Now that we are in Thane, I'm going to show you where you can find one of the finest misal pav ever. So the thing about misal pav is that what might concern you about it is the pav or the bread, if that is vegan or not. 90% of the time the pav that they serve is vegan. It doesn't have butter or milk or any sort of dairy in it. पाव में दूध रहता है क्या? दूध का कुछ? हाँ नहीं रहता ना, तो एक मिसल पाव दे दो खाने का.
म्हणजे खाताना पण घेणार फोटो?
खाताना पण घेणार.
अगं देवा.
This is amazing. It is a little spicy. But it's full of flavor. It's amazing.
इसका नहीं this garlic.
I'm very sure that most of the Indians love it spicy, and you are going to love this, I can completely assure. I'm gonna finish this, and after finishing eating the misal pav, I'm gonna head to Dadar and Sion. I have been told that we can find something called as handi over there. I'm not sure what exactly it is because I've never had it. So handi and samosa, poha samosa, something like that. I'll confirm what the name is, and we're gonna head to Dadar and Sion for that. This is just amazing. Now I'll be going back to Andheri because it just hit me that there are a couple of things that I can show in the video. One is the kachori, actually the dahi kachori, which I'm gonna ask him to make without the dahi. I had always been a little skeptical about how it would taste, like dahi kachori without dahi. So the main ingredient of that dish goes missing. But I've been told that it tastes good, and I'm yet to try. Let's see how it goes. It was raining way too much, so I wasn't able to shoot any videos. I'm back in Andheri, and I'm standing outside Jagrut in Andheri market in the west, and this shop is famous for dahi kachoris. But dahi is obviously not vegan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it out without the dahi. खाने का दही नहीं डालना, बिना दही का. This is the one with dahi, and here is the vegan dahi kachori. Vegan kachori, you can say. So my friend, who is a chef, normally buys it without dahi because he feels that the dahi makes it a little too much sweet. So he buys it vegan normally. So we're gonna try it now. It's all filled with chutney and sev and the kachori, so it gets a little bit messy while eating, but trust me, it is worth it. This is how it looks from inside. There's sev, there's sweet chutney, and the spicy one, the green one. They have their own filling inside the kachori, but this is their filling. So filling, the outer part of the kachori, the chutney, the green chutney, and sev. Yeah. And I present to you kachori taco. Now another thing that I would like to show you is something called as Chinese pakoda. But first let me tell you that it is extremely unhealthy as they add a lot of food color into it. But if you're on a budget and you want to make a recipe that calls for boneless chicken, then Chinese pakoda will do the job real good for you. Now I can't really say that on behalf of Chinese pakodas available everywhere, but I can definitely say for these. 15? ठीक है ठीक है. हाँ चटनी डाल दो. Thank you. taste amazing in biryani actually. Just make sure that you cover them a little with biryani masala. They'll go well in Frankie as well. They're crispy. They are soft from the inside, crispy from the outside. And they taste really good with the sauce that they provide. Just make sure that you don't eat it on daily basis because of course they're not healthy. Now I'm traveling from Andheri to Dadar and Sion to try two street foods that I've never tried ever before. In Dadar there is the poha samosa. Poha is basically flattened rice, if you didn't know. And in Sion there is another street food called as handi. Now the thing is, I've never even heard of handi before, and surprisingly even the internet doesn't know about it. I searched on the internet what handi is, and all the results that I got were of the veg handi sabzi. So this is the restaurant where the poha samosa is available. I'll just look for a space to park, which I think is not possible to find. There is a lane over here. एक वेज समोसा. Thank you. So this is the vegetable samosa, and this is how it looks from the inside. Look what I found. So it's poha, green peas, and the chutney. Good. And it's good. I would any day prefer the potato samosa, which is the regular one, over the poha samosa. It's good, but the normal one is the best. So now we're going to go to Sion and try the veg handi over there, which I've never even heard of. So I'm going to finish this and we'll head straight over to Sion. If you have ever had Chinese or spring samosa, which they called, that is much better than the poha samosa, if in case you want variations in samosa. So first would be the Chinese or the spring samosa, then the regular samosa. Regular samosa is always my favorite. भाई यहाँ पे कोई हंडी वाला है ना? ये सामने आके. अच्छा. I guess I'll just park it over here. you're more of able to feel the potato inside. I have this syrup over here, onion over it, black peas, and the covering is potato, and they have black salt and chaat masala. That's it. Okay, so I just tried handi for the first time and it was okay-ish. I didn't like it that much, but it was kinda just okay. You know, happens when you try new things. I was very excited about what handi is because I had never had it, but I had called my friend to review how the handi was, and then I was told कि तू सायन आ ही गया, तो यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट है called as Guru Krupa, which is right besides me. So I am being told to go there and try the chole samosa. And I don't know how many samosas I'm gonna have today, but we'll just go and try the chole samosa. So this is the chole samosa that I'm trying at Guru Kripa in Sion. I actually come here to try the handi, but I didn't seem to like it much. So I was told to come over here and try the chole samosa, and this is how it looks. This is really nice, I'm telling you. Or maybe I'm feeling so right after eating the pohe samosa at Dadar. Probably. This has been enough for the day. So I'm gonna have this chole samosa and go home. Try to edit the video. I'm not very sure about how it has been recorded all the while. But I'll just go home and check it. It's very easy to be vegan. You can eat all the junk, you can get all the taste you want. Alright, so I'm definitely done for the day. I normally don't eat this much. My appetite is very chotu sa, and I've eaten a hell lot. I love this car, Tata Venture. It's very basic, but it is extremely spacious from the inside, and basically I like it. Have some really nice sex. She's gonna scream out, this is great.
I might mess around, get my college degree. I bet my old man would be so proud of me. Sorry, but
You just have to wait. Oh, 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 yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone.
so leave a message at the door. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Oh, I ain't gonna comb my hair,
'Cause I ain't going anywhere. No, 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 no.
I'll just drop in my birthday suit. Everything I use.
Yeah, 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 Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. That's what I can expect in Mumbai. Thank you. I was vlogging. I actually have a channel on YouTube.